If you want to create panorama image based on one image that you cannot and you have not left or right or up and down scene with just image, you can use Panorama Generator. You can see such these things. First, you have to insert your image. For example, I insert this image. You can see. And the software tells, please describe left or right. Describe the content that exist in the left side of the image that you want to expand. It tells you to get better results. But I don't know, because I don't know this image, what's happening right or left. Just want to create a panorama of that. In this case, I don't want to anything. Just create generator, and the AI, the PromeAI, does everything for us. If you want to get better result and you know what is this in your left, for example, another sofa, another window, another thing, you can describe prompt here. And make sure you are subscribed to standard or pro version to access lots of coin to experiment well. And you can use the fast mode, you can use detailed mode, and a lot of benefits of this PromeAI. It has all tools. If we have a lot of AI tool in the internet out there, but PromeAI is nice. It has a lot of tools. Its user interface is very beautiful and nice. I prefer to use that, but you can use it free. But if you want to support the developer, please subscribe to that. And let's waiting. Okay, it's done, and that's what happened here. Boom. Interesting. Let's create a panorama image that you can rotate on this, and you can download it, the full version. Again, you can download the full version, or you can, if you want, you can go to the upper scale. I explained it before, to high resolution. But from here, if you need, you can download a full version of that. You can see it's downloading there, and then you can use it, or you can bring it to upper scale. Okay, so if you know what happened in your left of your scene or right of your scene, you can describe more. That's so easy. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.